guys, welcome back to Ronji Health Tips. This is your girl Ronji, and today I just want to share with you the simplest belly fat burner ever. Very simple to make, very little ingredients. The ingredients that we are using is simply a lime and a piece of ginger. You can use lemon instead of lime, okay? And so let's go ahead and make it together. But first things first, if this is the first video you're watching on this channel, go ahead and subscribe. I love having you here, okay? So all you need is a lime and a piece of ginger, and we make the drink. It is a 2-minute drink which burns the belly fat, and it is one drink that is very, I'm not promising that it is sweet on the mouth. You might not like the taste, but then you will like the results. It works very fast. It does magic. It helps with constipation as well. It burns belly fat eventually, and in about 3 to 5 days you'll notice some change on your belly, which is why I love this drink so much. It is my #1 drink for belly fat burning, okay? So if you're out there and you're looking to lose some belly fat, this is a drink for you. And I have to put out a disclaimer. This drink, if you have one of those funny complications or for your stomach, gastritis, you have ulcers, and any other funny significant condition for your stomach, you might want to stay away from this drink or check with your doctor first before you try it. But if your belly is just, with fat and worms as usual, this is a drink for you because you're looking to lose it, you're looking to lose your belly fat. This is the correct drink for you. It is going to work magic. It works very fast, and it gives you results in about 3 to 5 days. So go ahead and try it out. Let me know how it works out for you. It's done magic on me. As you can see, you can compare the pictures and you can tell it has actually helped me lose belly fat on my body. Go ahead and try it out. Let me hear how it works out for you in the comment section. If you like this video, if you like the drink eventually, go ahead and share the information, share the video with your friends, and we are going to meet again on the next video as we share more healthy drinks. Thank you so much again. If this was your first video, go ahead and subscribe, and I'm gonna meet you on the next video. Bye.